Rende bono I call it hypocrisy in the sense that ina omonte kerare bo moyo netumeneze komogokera tariria ararire naribono tugwanza komogokera ikegera tayororo arigererie ebintu byonsi twamotogerie yango de komena ririare moyo ebintu byonsi ebiya sana byakwanirwa asiri tukoriarero yango de kwana akwanirwa ririare moyo. It could have made a lot of sense kobwarero twaganyire ararire naribono tokomosherekea. To me, it is more of hypocrisy. Ikegeri yarenge moyo, iganguru kwa marieta mange sana.
Nabo, I'll point out to Akili, maybe to be specific, enka yi hypocrisy ye ere, use nkiba kwandre batamotetika enge moyo. Singencho morewense nata banga barure na ere sabari ntambe sana neba no kurwara kwae, onyare kobaga kuheru kwane kinga nkumurwandrare anyoropo bwenya. Umura ebwensi weko monyene nerongo mura masana matukama ega diria abana babake ba gensi batarachegeti ndwaro amarieta barenge kumurama kumuruka marieta makongusana diria diribona mangana amakongerete daria roche umuhimu yae bona eyeko ba kongusana na ebintu byalo tebirero nandekerezo kuri wind 2 years ago ebintango kwana nebingao. It does not make sense at all. Ikwana kito keko garango tena it is more of hypocrisy. Igona kerogo uko difa ne abande bari bamotogiro mushimwe wa Raila Odinga chira chiri na marari atabirenga mbabwato kuigwana no mushimwe wa Raila Odinga ikirane maybe okwenekya magendra sense ya Kenya kubeka ama baraibande arona chiko ikirana onye chinkwana cyabo nchiri cyekene
ebintu byagambire nabango kwana yango ndakona Raila monyene nadotebetie abintu nabakwanire nalitwangu takwamini umanyete bono iganto kwanza kwambira namba kwanete ntware ngororo ndeta yore ngorora aine kina amaina ebintu byonse akogamba nabagambete ba kwanete boigo igona se bono igana kongusana botagotipitishana nabo maine no bolimo igagera oyorarire tabu atita the right of reply atata na ya maine ndo kwanete all those things but irende gente kere to kwamini ngereki he had the best interest of the country at heart. Egagara oshekiri okwana nirie na 4 presidents so far. Akwana ni na Moi, akwana ni na Kibaki, akwana ni na Uhuru, akwana ni na Ruto. Eye koroki na indeed no muntu gwate interest chiense at heart.
Tegora ndoske bose otoche tomokwandre mushimwa Raila Odinga nyagosira bona tutige chinkwana cyabari bagendate komotogi ero monyene in person kero kurigeria sabari yae na irwete koene kyanga ubora yobugo buyan koene kibabore erinde ache gochengero ko bomunyankongo na ikirane timirubiri yae bune bwendrete
ebintu ne binge ekero kurigeria akoreta asobi mabwaye okomo credit abarende tariere biekolenge there were so many people bango contributed which asitwaikire whereby it was among them. Buna korugusi umuntu nari tuligoja twa celebrate but it's a fact na contributed sana. Marehemu omo bungo lengo West Mugirango Anyona did a lot of things, especially fighting for the democratic space to enjoy. But in tuligoja tuamo kwana sengenjo oyorari Raila is because he was coming from a prominent family that wana manyekanete na kiogarana erango mokwana tole but irende Raila na contributed ebinte binge ekemo kiabo the second liberation ekentunainde kenene sana a contributed this 2010 constitution tobuate lichikeri tobuate likogamberense mwaroje tatina yeireta amatuka mange sana udakanyora lichikeri but irende gweterere na abande they compromised until tukanyora lichikeri bona odoko mo credit na indeed na kolete biya
ase enseme yo kwene kya tikatura chabona ase enseme yaguno mumanyibweri chiko na abo igo mwakili what do you think a process iga yo gochora abanyankongo ngakie kwene kiwanande mbwene kie gutwara abanyankongo abega bachoru on merits
ndobate criteria ndobate criteria bagocha barigereria bamanya bamagochora batirende bari bamanyekaine naturally bari bamanyekaine maita abanyankongo bari mostly bari barwanirete uhuru yaito yeah, most of them they are known the ones who fought for our independence na ndena bagocha yasangina nabona indoka bo munyankongo through the extraordinary things wakoreirense uzana kwa mekiri ense yaito yabeire inte world map bono muna abagocha baramnyoka muna bona baswati aba bagusiba ito bagocha baramnyoka oyo mona rokorukumura uino munyankongo ekiagera ekera go preki record area ninse agotanga sekero national anthem yaito gota egocheso podium asekero montari great in the entire world then in one way or another they make that our heroes. Yes, by the virtue of these extraordinary activities banyarira okorerense yabeire in the world map
banyarako bakwegwa ebiege tikabona tuske bosio tonyarako batuko kwandra emiroberiga yaberege konekiwa yogochengera amatuka igatari abanyankongo ryo kama tukonaro ryo gochengera jamhuri ndiro ryo gochengera abakori emiremo okurwa ogochikankwa rwetwe cyane kigwase chi county au we kiraboniga matunda kiarentire nande oguchengero kwa matuka igasengencho murebwense na isogeti omukura gateba ngayige nigo yaenge bunenchire moyo kweneke buna chi county chinde nkonyora chire ghost ya matuka cyanyora magendra sengencho murebwense ometagocha with those promises nabo igo amagendra nkweneke wale litukeri tarane kwase county ino ekero togosherekea ishere chire tabauti kero togosherekea in different counties again tekemo geriye koretana in that local economy ekiagera is a process mpaka abantu bacha gosherekea munabona tuisa kuira Kitui nyuma batacha gosherekea stadium rate ya Rengororo but bono turu kuja gosherekea government ekanyora ya bagajeire that stadium ninge tuja gotigara agaria again tokende that local economy during that day ama during that period gusangire na chibesa chabere spend in that county, in that specific county yendo kende ngerina tali bantu bonse bagoja bamanya na ekena kikendrete yobone kero kuira angena asa abantu at least na kiro monto ngofiri arena na into be a part of Kenya. I'm looking forward in a kainga kibaraire more especially which Northeastern as this kind of ceremony tanyakova celebrated ngaite I'm looking forward in doing a kiko burn out baira sebuna mandera chinse chirichi chinse mo chirichinde na chiro chitara ene kya ko host ya matukaiga amanene kurete gatuskebosio buna omwakili o kone kyobo wakili bwago akiura nyarako bakogo kwandra ensemo y'abanyankongo ase ugwikirani katiba tubwatenya yakoreirwe amaonchori ekabenya ya 2010 asabange bamatogiro musikira ilase ukoyerwanda negati y'abaraibande so far yikirani gwasenchirerengia nebo obosibori bwae yikirani to the letter teraikirani ebintu bire byikiraniirwe na ebintu bire bitaraikiraniwa uneka mokiabo gitaraikiraniwa buya devolution there have a devolved kabisa which is a county illegal benefit a county kero kurigere na down and given 15% yechibesa kuru from the national government. You can imagine a 15% in each chinge sana to the county government. Kama wasangina most of the county governments what they are doing is only on wage bill. Mind rata yarororo. Neri na baka no moshara
nainde ebinto byatenena ekena gyokorera n'amatuka amange abantu mbale batali gwaka n'omushahara ase county abantu basumbugete sana paka abantu beboli na what is the essence of this devolution but rende nainde gato kurigereria buya sana kyagera yaretire obokonyi bw'abantu angena abantu people are now supposed to decide on their own the unique issues kiribataite county yabo ebakolere ebitari ngote konyarekana kale tuisako sangi chigabana chingi ya chiko implement fully nonya nango to ngonyora bali chibesa chinge I think it will be a milestone which as a county ende as a county chinde that is one of the things to then as much as there are issues here and there lichikeli India konyete is one of the things you can be able to point out. Again, to Yakaverengelina that to really chikeli at least in the a very independent judiciary. Tokonyerengani na lile gatu alenge 90s, historical which alenge 90s na bono, they are totally different.
Nare nando urata ke kuboria as a member of the judiciary. Asengenjo mheshimiwa Raila unanya tuko bakagusira bange ba motogira sokurwandiro bwene bwa mwanyabantu no kwene kya bananchi ngonyora bare haki yabo how so far the criminal justice system ya veirike gwikira nimirimo ya gwikira bonika under the new constitution ebintu bya change sana buna bono isa koligereria tuisa koirana ekoti ito ya Nyamira ose koti ito ya Bosongo kegere koti ito ya Bosongo nere expanded ke ko we ya Nyamira ebintu ne binge sana bikokorekana likale to asange na to bwate gose ekoti ya renge bono iga under this new constitution ekoti like una high court ngotwara to ebintu tokoroka subdivision in the high court wasange na high court yendo bwate high court ekwando ebina bya maremo byoka high court ekwando ebina bya abantu babutirwe high court ekwando ebina bya family issues high court ekwando ebina bya constitutional lidikale to abakatwalire omuchacho yomo okwando ebintu ebyonsi atago but banongo sangyolena ebonsi na high court but into bade subdivisions chichache chingao chikwando ebintu ebingao ya make sure yarorekana kwabana ebina na bikoba kwenda bwangake kubwa omonto yomo na inde muna bono we have got high court chabire chinyinge kare to gatwalire high court yoka Bosongo lakini bono iganto bwate high court Nyamira na Bosongo yi ekerono to bwate Bosongo oka omonto rugosengo ikonge oenda mpaka Bosongo ekina abona takwenda Nyamira ibono yaretire access to justice go ange na abantu courtesy of the new constitution yeye twatebire bono igemira pero negandate what of challenges chi ene kigo gwikirania all that
challenges injirona chiro chichi nyinge moya boneri na judiciary is not well funded it is not well funded at all ekeretali well funded bono no nya staff baligo jaba baba baisaine staff ne lina bono chi magistrate chiko ba employed na judiciary go se charge we do not have enough because a budget from the national government is not enough that is one of the key challenges which is being faced, lack of enough finance from the county, from the national government.
Mwanchu murigeria negatiari to ganda tego sanga kumuinyora umuskera Raila Odinga oyo apange bamuchengera koba umunyankongo ase hitukeriga wakili tretos kebo soto kwandre Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga bange bamotogira so kwenekia oborai obuya naboigo bagatebanga interest cyarenge bose cyarenge cyense na kyokora chia akwandria mako na abarai bechinsange baniga kurenda bange babere bakomomocha. What do you think? Kero bona nyare ko baka gusiro bugima bwae kuchibosia barai batikire mbachi ko nyare ko baba ko beka interest cyabo bosio say chense
amana na baba tena that he had interest chiense at heart. Ekiagera orocho muntu na 2007 kwa bwire chikura. Maisomaro kwa bwire chikura. Nande kwa makoiru chikura echo. Nando montoria omontoria ko chikura mwacha mwatware handshake nere tension iri ira nanse omonto ndega atena kerige ko batika kebe kerige ko batika kebe nende kero maito omonto atena kerige ko batika kebe usangina there is no country yera bono you are dividing the country na tension chiango basana na tension chiango bana bangoleta tension sana lakini ndo ikasegete uira na maega na indense ya twaro molembe iyi neyemo yabo yokororekanana na what that best interest chiense at heart yeah, that is one epitome kiagera bara mange tari raisi goja gosheka goja gokwana ni no montoli omaitena na no mobiso kisiasa Patirende na inde egento gende to wesomi korwabuna siasa yeto bwene to konyakora buno mupira siasa yeto bwene to konyakora buno mupira onye gokobua is okay onye gokobu temenye te likorekanana you are going to pull everything down ebake bena na ebieka
una yomo wakili no manyibori chiko egete baka chinga kigete korenge mwaka bwechirubere na 15 na ibere Mheshimiwa Raila agataka kuebe kwa siasa ugwetiani rebuna mo raibwa abananchi kurengana neri chiko from where you sit in the low perspective ikakore keringia enge treasonable senga kiri chiko liko kwandra that process yogwe so ya in as the people's president
ekero kunyerigere buya that one is treasonable ina bango ja kubwatwa abe kume but bone ngindo kyango makonya ngelina abafuasi abwate mbali bali nge fanatico umubwate kwa sampirense ebintu binde bano igokombi gadene kere government ya ombeti akore ebintu biri na biyo bwana igabikaera kere na ndo monto akeba igega no nyagwe soete in asita yango chigega kero maito go so in you are supposed to go to State House. Those were just optics. Elikonya koleza spotters chia yang watena ntorororo chikora to iberetwe this is what is happening.
Ora ngakiwo cha kuandole kiwa kile because sio lakuna iko kwa sheria, it's not a lakuna, there are provisions to deal with that. How do you handle it? Karabone go pe perspective ya fanatism.
Umatenge ndokere umuntu bwata abafuasi bale fanatic supporters ekerole in government go sekerole president you are supposed to be a very sober president igegera usako kora kende gionsi you are going to ban the country so you have got two choices isaita bwebereri andele ko gamba gosotumekege kuba osambense Nando maite kero kwa sampirense no nayo ikanasi de kero gekyo turija kwendera kwa bororo ekiagera you have no country to govern you have no people to govern ekiagera oneta yo wanjete goitera onde gosendeta yo okogokigwe kera amanyinga yo monto aitekire so when somebody has got that fanatical supporters bono mena toide kwerende iwate baya 2017 you tolerate what the abantu to some extent bakora keri bataite it is part of a free society abantu baisaneka maitana ndekere matuka amange kere government gotumike kuba ndikucha kwarana ebintu ebinge nali bigosareka but yotige nainda abantu bachiese go chiabu ayebu ombeti but you keep on a watchful eye and uja kwasangina egentekyo kia Kiranirence.
Kiaretro muchando, but Montanavaha buri wakili. So then, what is the essence of us having this document? Is it just in written because we believe on that you went above the law?
Of course, that is a fact. Nobody is above the law. But remember, not all animals are equal under the sun. You know, there is that thing which is in theory na then all of us are above the law. Are below the law. You are not supposed to be above the law. But in practical, abantu bali baligo sangina, in one way or another, you cannot say that they are above the law, but they slightly operate above. They slightly operate above the law, and that is how the country all over is. Asa kwa turabe equal ngaketena ka asa okaturabe equal nigoro Nyasaye. But as long as story mwanya bantu nsegaiga, there are those people who are very powerful, and oisako bunabone ngakieto ikire oisako tumeka chinguru gosita tumekege kuba. There's what we call extra constitutional way may click in. So you need to balance. You need you need to strike a balance. You need to strike a balance. As much as we are saying we are not above the law, can you imagine this broad-based government was not there? Just imagine. You can imagine the number of theories and the kind of tension a country. The kind of tension as a country. Yes.
So when we have situations when cover handled out of the constitution of the provision in Chitayo Chico handled such cases. Maybe from where we see it, Wakili will say from the custodians of the constitution and some way judiciary. Handle situations in the crossroads. So we decide what is written in the constitution. Now we also from the public perspective and the public opinion. To assambirense. Handle situation.
Political issues are supposed to be handled politically. That is the only way. Naboko eboli naliria baba esoete in ngiata agwateretu airu coach omuntu bika baba atete ko eguru eringa juan na miguna. So you cannot imprison mba maide government ya maide na omuntu yo baisa ko moira ba sampirense. How do you punish him? You don't punish him direct. You punish his foot soldiers. Following in the So when something is above the constitution, you like bono example kende to isako ira keria 2007 machafuka abeire ndabate na ndabate richi it was in place. But how do you manage the crisis? It was a political crisis. So you manage it politically. And once you manage it politically, now everything will fall in place. They don't believe in court. So what are you going to do? Court. Now violence, and this violence has been mainly caused by political issues. So you try to solve them politically. That is the only way. You cannot be able to solve a political issue using the legal way, the legal justice. You are not solving anything. You're only treating symptoms when you are supposed to be treating the root cause. So once you find that the politics are fixed, then the rule of law and order were fixed.
As a about political stability, Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga huyo Nyarkoba Kago Sira umanya kanire kwa babu na stabilizer, especially post elections. Bona tayo, we don't want to predetermine what will happen the subsequent elections, lakini nenda kidogo kwandra para ibadiba tigaire tolerance nero going forward. You Mheshimiwa Raila Bwate otikira that spirit in our current leadership ira chikoba so tolerant and going forward.
Na ndo tunyore tuirane maegake na raire kerarenge omosae ekere kurige speech chia 97 ebintu biratanga tolerate. But I think with time, these things comes with maturity. Emyaka yae konyora ikire yasamo ikire ebintu biro korigere kwa rana oguiterera amaje. Had it been that he was a youth, it could have been done differently. Gochimotuga iga, you cannot be able to predict what is going to happen. Again, don't get in, let's wait and see how the optics of the nation are going to burn out in the coming days. But Rende, whatever, he was a stabilizer of so many government, that is factual. Actually, na stabilize the government ya Moi, na stabilize the government ya Kibaki, na stabilize the government ya Uhuru, na onyanoyo konyoro chireka. In the real time, stabilize it could have been a different story. One year to go kwana. Ndo ring the gia koleka na Madagascar. We were heading that way. We were heading that way. But in the ekeroko area, na bokotena, you know, it's better when you have a corrupt government than when you don't have a government at all.
Ono bumana nebo mheshimiwa Raila naga kwandega sare kuru mubwekano bw'echinse kiri kitwetane na ndaka sense mu Africa abatabanga ambuye mutu ala serikali irembe kubwa serikali etayopi tasa togochi gukora bono wakili tukwandire ensemo ya siasa kega sengenjo radu munyankongo gaba inyorase oboime nigo are amanyekaine mono na siasa chiaye bono chire otigire kyama kya ya ODM otigire na barema gabo by the way bangire korokia chito bauti cyabone banekera taratinde kwa ritwere mabono maiga ya yonsi konekiwa guchibosonga kioroche oburai bwa siasa ne mono nsemo ya ODM na boiga serikali yabomo eyua arenke omubwatani wimemo
uchimotuga hika koluchi speech litwaro cheigoro uchimotuga igoko na we are going to have ODM ubere there's a possibility that they are going to spread. Egegera baribare kitchen, they're saying something different. They were saying in that baba gabatigete eserikali ime. Na inde bata ite 2027 babi eserikali ime. Na bari batari yororo iba banga tatebye binte bingao na twaroche. Molengo lyo di nisifuna twaroche ngi di nisifuna tatebeti. Donye no lengo. Even if he was not very critical about the president, but you could read his body language. He was so much measured. A year or then, there's something which is going to happen. Ekero tato mwabobiyeka kwete oyorarire na baro Ford Kenya yabagekanete. Actually, akaru Ford Kenya atabafomu ekiama kiaye. Batarendeti ODM etarendeti unando chichimotuga iga ODM is going on eri koba ruo Nyanza nane epati yabagereboka na babande na barobaende bafomu epati yabo ibone gochiko weekend ODM sana igo they need to be very cautious going forward on how they are going to handle issues issues chile politically you cannot use it kuba bata ya ndana ntwata betigwe ABCD ege monto is entitled the moment they want that we are entitled ntwata to remain government na bandi batana we are not going to be in that government two waisa kole mistake ya menene banse ku experience abantu years endoje baligerereti banse ku experience abantu bali bate divergent opinions then that one will be the end of ODM. Yeah, because now you are going to remain with sycophants only, which will weaken the party. I don't know to get cover one single president yango dena tagwanja ODM ebagekane tagwanja. Yet is a member of a different party. Erene rengo dena tagwanja ODM ebagekane. Yeah. But then aboko mayena what is interested in is putting his own interest for second term at hand. Ekina kialigerete kiagera a strong ODM with a person who is loyal to him is better for his re-election.
Keroto kwando muraibu ensega gobono twachangeire twakwanire kiama kya ODM tigato jabana sa serikali ya yabo mheshimiwa Raila bono taiyo. Eranga kigo going forward nga kiago chi asenge nchoyo obegete ODM otemete kubeka ODM igamo taiyo bono ochire itukuritangani bana batarayenigwa twangere korokano kubagika nase kiamekyo kiamukonyete gotenenia serikali ya ngaki gochibusia burai bwa serikali ya bomo gochikoba
ngoja kwa maberera konwake mo especially asomo abantaba bande bataitego kafu their own space. Remember in politics gende ngiyo jakwaewe koboko egera rebiye ko manyane ekera renge kanu igari pereti against Moi akaja kwa siri tari yae after repairing korua se Moi na babande for also to survive politically more especially okorana na bakena basai they have also to repel. They are not going to be singing in the same choir keria echama gegochigoteba na ndekero montara arire bono mateno mwakori ere konyoro menyire myake menge na what experience yo kwando different situations akero in the steering wheel na yo might think akyo kwando abanda kyagara you know how they react dwaro jena kero muntu gango tena baba na ngakirete sim aka instructiga baba na ngakireta ganda na ABCD dwa kwanita na baba the previous day nyuma tarachi korara. What does it tell you? Wano mondolio okabakwana ile baiwa tayo. So it will be a different story. It will be a different story. It is not going to be very smooth. Yeah.
Mancho murgaria twabere togosanga amange higoro yeri tukerigaria abanyankongo na ndemo nasabange bamuchengira umuskere loadinga buna umunyankongo bo uyonegetyo burai obuya naboigo okwene kensenko gendera sengje wakire bono tyanko eri bagoru your parting shot kero togo sieke nkwane itobot kubwadero
jengwa kiraba gusiba ito nambi ya mono tuendelea kuligereria Ensoko TV na tuendelea kunya gusabira namaya nyasanya gutobeke enseye tuomera na gaiga twakwana kirike kendrete amangana yense. Asante sana asokonge dangeria na ndase twanya bataria gusiba ito gakie bintu bienderete ko rugaiga. Asante sana.
Thank you so much wakili Benjamin Bugonko mwancho murigeria na yembe yamona sogo sanga na intwe asenkwana ya heyiga itobotko bwa rero no tuikira omwere kurende gikoroga chinsa isato nande ninchikwera na gaiga to sanga semesa ma yakuru Ensoko chinsa isato asenchira yubo ikirano chinkuru kwa Clinton ndigi kwa niaba ya timu ingi mayankonya chinga kechiga to sabaga ndra gutwaro burigeria buya wemero biriagenda ta sembeo Ensoko TV.